Today is Saturday, April 21st, 2024. This video is for this pair of Visonik David 702 speakers that I have listed on online marketplaces for sale, as is for parts or restoration. I do not do any repairs or attempted cleaning because I'm not in the business. If you see this video months from now, chances are they'll probably be sold. But if you saw the ad and the ad link to the video, then most likely they are still available for sale. Excuse the background noise, I am in a public market. This speaker here is a little bit more worn than the other. Both speakers are playing now at a low volume. I'm going to turn the volume up a little. To the back of each speaker. One speaker, this is some damage here and a splitting there. And so the back of the speaker. This one doesn't have a label. The other one has the label on it. Those are the grills. Back side of the grills. This is the other speaker. We're going to show the back of it. Has that splitting right there. That's the back of the speaker. It shows the label. That's the bottom of this speaker. I'll show the bottom of the other speaker. That's the bottom of the other speaker. Okay, what I'll do now is I'm going to pump up the volume a little bit, and then I will try to show each speaker playing separately also. Okay, I have increased the volume a little. I'm gonna go close up on them. Then I'm going to turn off one speaker and play one separately. Now I'm about to turn off one speaker and listen to the other one separately. Okay, this is the speaker on the left. I guess it's left as you're watching it. And this speaker is off. Now I'm going to turn the other speaker on. Okay, this is the speaker that should be on the right as you're looking at it. And I did notice when I turned it on, I did notice a slight distortion from the other one. Okay, I went back to the other speaker just to try to confirm if there's any noticeable difference, and it's slight. Okay, that's it for the Visonik David 702 speakers. Again, if you see an active listing, they probably still are available. If you just happen to stumble across this ad, they may have already been sold. Thank you.